प्यारे बच्चों, आपको सिटीजनशिप मीन्स के बारे में बता रहा था। नाउ रीड बुक एंड देन आफ्टर से अबाउट इट। Citizenship means the right of a person to live in country of this choice or a country of his birth. About citizenship, the French Revolution and the Nazism had their own viewpoint about citizenship. The French Revolution propagated that all people are equal and free by birth. They enjoy equal rights also. Liberty, security of property, and resistance of exploitation are the basic rights of the human beings. Everybody enjoy a freedom of expression and a right to live in any place of his choice. A democratic and the socialist society must have a rule of law above all. The Nazi defined citizenship from a specified viewpoint of racial difference. This was a reason that they refused to consider the Jews as German citizens. This was not sufficient. They also dealt with them in a very intolerant way and drove them out of Germany. In the course of this, they had to escape and settle out of Germany somewhere in Poland and the East Europe. What did the Nuremberg Law mean of undesirable in Nazi Germany? What other steps did they take to make them realize that they were undesirable? Now see, under the Nuremberg Law, the disabled people had no right to live among the capable citizens. Following were the rules framed in 1935 regarding citizenship. From onward, only Germans are having blood relation with them shall to be German citizen, and only citizens shall be entitled to the protection from the German Empire. Martial relations between the Jews and the Germans were prohibited. The Jews were denied the right of flying national flag. Other legal provisions boycott Jewish trade and business. Dismissal of Jews from government job. Dismissal of second for future of Jewish property and sale thereof. Now, youth in Nazi Germany. Youth माने एक नवयुवक के रूप में उभरता नाजी. Hitler had the most interest in the youth. In his opinion, it was essential to teach children Nazi ideology to establish a strong Nazi nation. He advocated a full control over children in and outside the school. In order to achieve this goal, the project of cleanliness and purification was launched. The teacher considered politically unreliable were removed from their job and later killed. Children were seated separately. The German and Jewish children could neither sit nor play together. Later, the undesirable children, the Jews and physically handicapped, and the gypsies were expelled from the school. Then in the 1940s, they were taken the gas chamber and eliminated. The process of Nazi education and young all good German children had to go through a special process of Nazi education. This was long process of an ideological training. The school next books were rewritten to justify the propagated the ideas about Nazi. A new syllabus of the radical science and introduced. An attempt was made to paint the Jewish children in a stereotype frame in mathematics classes. Children were taught to be faithful and obedient. They were taught to scorn the Jews and worship them. A spirit of violence and aggression was promoted in German children through games and sport. Hitler taught the boxing would turn children into hard-hearted, strong and masculine individuals. The youth organization were assigned the task of influence the spirit of National Socialism into the German children and youth. Children at the age of 10 years were recruited in the young old. All boys at the age of 40 years had to take membership of Nazi Youth Network Hitler Youth. In this organization, they were taught war, worship, aggression, violence, condemnation of democracy, and hatred for the Jews, communist, gypsy, and other undesirable. Other rigorous ideological and physically training at the age of about 18 years, they would join the labor service. After that, they had to serve in the army and had to be member of any Nazi organization. Now, C and source of C and D. Look at the book. All boys between the age of 6 to 10 went through a preliminary training in Nazi ideology. At the end of the training, they had to take the following oath of loyalty to Hitler. In the presence of this blood manner, which represents our Father, I oath to devote all my energies and my strength to Adolf Hitler, the savior of our country. I am willing and ready to give up my life for him. So help me God. From A. W. Schreyer, The Rise and Fall of the Third Reich. Source D. Robert Ley, head of the German Labour Front, said, "We start when the child is 3 years old. As soon as he start to think, he is given a little flag to wave. Then comes school, the Hitler Youth and military service. But when all this is over, we do not let go of anyone. The Labour Front takes hold of them and keeps hold until they go to grave, whether they like it or not." Young Old means it is a Nazi youth organization for the children below 40 years. Activity third देखें. If you were a student sitting one of these classes, how would you have felt towards Jews? If I were a student of any such class, I would be paid at this house dealing with the Jewish friends. I would lose all my Jewish friends with a home with whom I used to play and share joy and joviality. I would feel bad for all of them. I would have a sense of pity for them. It would also create a sense of hatred for the government and a spirit of goodwill and sympathy for the Jews. Next day, thanks.